Hi, so if you didn't see the last video and watch the message there, basically this is the second hour of the footage that I recorded where I pretty much scuffed everything up. So basically the resolution of the footage that I recorded is not the best that it could be, and that part's on me. The second part is that my mic sounds like absolute crap. So I'm trying to salvage what I can out of the 2 hours that I did basically for practice editing. So what you're going to see here is not going to be indicative of the level of quality that I want to put on this channel. So with that said, let's just get right back into it.
On the back of my pod, just come over here and just open the panel and grab that boy.
Oh no.
Yep, just don't
So our goal is now to not let Jim fall below 50% health or he's dead. You know what, Jim, just in case you die in one of the levels, I'll go grab one.
Should we all just grab one?
It'd be funny.
I'm not gonna pick one up because my entire playstyle is about losing health and getting it
I have made a terrible mistake.
back.
Right.
Well, I've got one.
Also, we only spawn with 3 because Accurate doesn't spawn with 1. Can you beat Risk of Raid 2 without using the teleporter?
No, you can't.
Well, you might think so, but actually, the speedrunning community.
Oh no.
We just started.
Alton, what happened?
That's what happens when you fall below 50% health. It just kills you.
So you know how I got the fuel rate? Well, I realized I wasn't Huntress in my control ability, which is the
Hey,
slide.
Alex.
Doesn't boost me as forward as I thought it would when I jump. So I just fell down a chasm.
Oh, it's like a stun grenade.
I cannot say how immeasurably disappointed I am in myself.
So whose perspective you watching?
Jim's?
Ah.
Am I the dinosaur? Yeah, I'm pretty disappointing, aren't I?
No. Wait, what?
Hey, Jim.
What?
Todd? I'm disappointed in myself. I'm not disappointed in any of you. You guys are great.
Aw, thanks, man. Anyway, Jim, I found you a lunar coin.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
I don't want it. I'm focusing on survival.
Listen!
Here we go.
Oh, I saw a lunar coin over there.
I
You're
don't
right.
care. I'm trying to survive for I'm fighting for my freaking life over here. Shut.
Do a flip.
I'm just gonna play that clip back over and over whenever a lunar coin drops, just like really slow.
You're literally gonna put that on a soundboard now.
It gets slower with every single time he says it.
I don't know, it depends if I didn't talk over it when I recorded it.
As far as I can tell, we were quiet, but who knows? Alex, holy shit, look how many items you have!
How many items does he have?
Alex!
Oh,
I've been hoarding!
Alex!
I've been running around a lot.
Alex!
Oh, what the crap?
You guys can do it.
I found one of the buttons. You guys wanna do a button?
Do we even need to do a button?
Nice.
What?
Nice.
Around a button?
On a button.
Oh.
I'm on a button. Nice.
Shut. What's this Topaz Brooch do again?
It gives you shield when you kill stuff.
Yes.
Also, Colton, if you edit it in to make it look like I suck, I will actually hunt you down. I know where you live. I don't actually. I don't know where you live.
I know
I'll
where
just, like,
you
knock
live.
door
You
to
don't know
door.
where I live. That's
You know where I live. You'll kill me
so
in my
if you
sleep.
want, I can go over to your house and have you kill me.
Yeah, no,
I
we'll
mean, it's
just duke
only
it
the,
out.
It's only the courteous thing to do because you don't know where
Oh.
I live.
I thought Alex had a bomb and I almost freaked out. Jim, yeah, I could tank this. Oh no, yeah, we're good. We're good.
Oh, I
we're
absolutely
good.
can take that. Get out
Yeah,
of here.
it's fine. It's fine. I'm not. It's fine. Listen, it's just like I feel responsible. You know, I don't want to like.
I like this item.
These things attack each other.
What?
Oh,
The tar things attack each other. Our equipment.
What?
Jim and I are now sucking each other's health.
Get away from me, boy!
But if you suck each other's health, like it doesn't. It's just a health loop now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just like a health siphon, but like I can steal other people, like our friends' health.
If they don't have it, that's.
No, but it's automatic.
Everyone's standing
there's a
around.
character
turn it
that's
off.
around
Alex. Stand around Alex. He can heal himself.
Alex.
Literally, I will just do it to Alex, like this.
Gives yellow scrap. Huh.
Tell you which one was fun though was the magma worm tooth. It's really fun.
Yeah. Ooh, drugs.
Drugs.
Ooh.
It's what's for dinner.
Ooh, I'll take that. Ow, you're hurting me. Why are you saving my health?
Why is that?
Guys. Gosh.
Guys, don't siphon my
Guys,
health.
I need my health to live. I'm like so
Oh.
unhealthy.
You guys are cancer.
Oh, here, you stop. Get out. Scrap it.
So we ready to portal the boys?
I am shoving things into the scrapper.
All right, you got like 3 seconds before I just do it.
Don't please.
3,
Don't
4,
please.
2,
Oh, you don't activate the
8.
portal. I'm doing something important.
4,
Jim keeps
5, 15, 23, 2.
Jim, are you cool with that item
13.
apparently? Because it is killing me.
Are you actually dying?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
You're just standing around while I'm scrapping things, just taking my health.
Alex, where are you at?
I'm near
Oh,
the
there we go.
portal.
I'm looking
Yeah, I
at
noticed.
Alex. He's just
One.
scuttling on the wall. More coins.
Which one do you want, son?
No. No, don't do it. Don't do it. I know you're thinking about it, but you really shouldn't. No. No. It's only going to end poorly. Don't. I don't know where we need to go next. Are we just going to go...
You want to go to, we don't have time for the Prion accumulator.
You complete fool. You absolute idiot. You buffoon. You have wrought destruction upon yourself. You will understand what it means to be truly an imbecile.
Go to,
Oh no.
the forest, or you want to go to the
Am I
tundra?
done?
You have the fuel, right?
I have become a liability. I'm just gonna...
Fellas, you want to go to forest, or you want to go tundra?
I don't care.
We're going to the tundra, I suppose.
I'm sorry, I just come out
Don't
and
mind me
looked
just
immediately
spam
left,
clicking that.
and Alex is just scuttling on the wall again.
Alex, come on, man! This is why I don't let you play Rex.
I will zap all your health.
Also, don't mind me.
Hey, how's it going? At this moment, I realized that I had not learned my lesson the first time, and surely I will not have learned it for the rest of my ephemeral life. Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no!
I guess I live here now.
Oh no!
It. I'm getting out before Jim kills himself. He has the last battery in the group.
I do.
It's not. It's almost impossible to kill yourself there.
I somehow made it work.
Oh hey,
hey, Soldier
Jim.
Strange.
I found a thing here you might want.
Multi-shot.
Yeah, in front of all the enemies.
I'll get it. I got you. I got you.
No,
I'm on
I
my
got
way.
it. It's
I
mine. Get away from me.
I got it. Also, I hope you realize as soon as Jim puts that battery in the unit, I am immediately activating the meteorite. Like, no hesitation.
That meteorite might be the secret to beating Mithrix.
Just toss a meteorite. Hey, buddy, listen. I know you and I have a disagreement. Meteorites are summoned. Also, Clay Destroyers, if you kill my baby boy, I will kill all of you and then myself. Jesus Christ! No one touch those!
What are those?
Alex!
Oh,
Alex, are you
Alex.
serious?
Alex!
Four, really? Alex, go scrap those.
What are these even do?
Those
Those are
are
the ones
the
that
Do you know
suck
the
a
thing you've been
health!
doing to me the entire time you've been near me, you know, sucking away at my health?
Oh.
Alex just got four
Alex,
of those!
Alex, stay away from Jim. Stay away from
Oh
Jim.
my god, the
will.
range on him! Oh my god!
Alex, stay away from Jim.
I will.
Alex,
I'm a.
cannot
I,
stress.
Alex, I need you to keep 6 feet apart, social distancing.
Alex, I cannot stress. Stay away from
Listen,
Jim. Look,
6 feet away or we are not okay.
look, somehow I'm gonna get another fuel ring. Somehow you're going to cause my next death.
Actually, stop stucking people off.
Gross, Alex. Come on, family
Alex,
friendly.
Alex, come on.
Alex, you're sucking more people than Jim
look,
was.
all right. Tell you what. Once we're done with the Gold Titan, I'll scrap him. All right.
Alex, I just want to make the one thing perfectly clear, okay?
Yeah.
If you suck my son, I will kill you.
Do not talk to me or my son ever again.
All I did was find a 3D printer with armor-piercing rounds, and I'm just...
Hey! That's a good one.
4 of them now. Hey!
Nice. Jesus, what was that?
That's actually good. I want the stun grenade.
Can,
Am I the one who heard like the screeching sound of Satan growing up?
no, I heard it.
Ryan, can you explain
Yeah.
how you know of that sound? You've been playing too much Helltaker, haven't you?
I haven't played it yet.
What? It's okay.
Listen, now I'm saving it, right? So here's the thing, right? I haven't played Helltaker. I'm saving it for when my review show actually gets started, because I'm going to review it with a blind playthrough.
Oh, that's a good
God!
idea.
Oh, never mind. I thought Colton picked up the legendary chest. I'm like, I'm so close.
No, I got that out of a normal chest.
Jesus. Also, Alex, I do see you sucking our friend.
Alex,
What?
you just can't stop.
You are sucking our friend.
The bigger
You
the
said
bigger
you'd
the
get
thing,
rid
the
of
more
them.
you suck. Like, we get it. You just go after the big ones.
Listen, I understand. He's a nice guy, but still. You're gonna suck me, aren't you, Alex? God damn it.
Alex,
You walked into me that time.
I had to know. You haven't gotten rid of them.
he's not sucking
I'm
me.
going to take advantage of this when we fight Mithrix.
Oh, well, Jim's sucking me now. I'm just gonna...
You
Wait,
guys,
okay.
what's your sucking? Okay, we ready? Oh, I'm going up.
Okay. I will say this is an amazing, like, design.
I love it. So cute. So beautiful. Love it.
It's pretty final boss, isn't it?
It is, like, really... I don't know. It's almost, like, nostalgic to me.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, and also,
Uh-huh.
he's the final boss.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he sucks. Oh my goodness.
Listen, don't be afraid to run away from him.
Uh-huh.
I am.
Uh-huh.
Wait, we're melting him.
Uh-huh.
Okay, run away.
I'm gonna join him. I'm gonna join. I'm gonna join. my goodness! I'm gonna take a breather.
Are we getting dialogue in the chat box from the boss?
Yes.
Wow, I didn't even notice that.
He talks. He literally talks shit.
Quick, someone cut his voice lines into funny things.
I fucked your mother. Mithrax.
Banana.
Why'd you fuck my mom?
Rotate. Oh, hi.
That's just his ending dialogue.
Yeah, I fucked your mom.
So how about you enjoying phase 1?
That was
I think it's
interesting.
a 4-phase boss.
This is a 4-phase boss?
Yeah, I think there's a 4th
If
phase.
this is a boss, shouldn't there be like a health bar at the top?
I think he gets his new health bar later, or if not, I think it's bugging out. I think he's supposed to have one.
Also, 15 the bleed is insane.
There he is.
This guy, oh.
I think we're in phase 2 or 3.
Phase 3, isn't it?
I think so. Let me know when you guys want meteorites.
Give it a sec. That's still dealt damage to me?
It's ridiculous!
Whoa!
Oh! No, I gotta move. I'm gonna die.
What is this? Oh, jeez, I don't like this.
This is he is such bullshit. I don't know how I'm still alive.
I don't know how I was still alive. I got hit like straight up with his hand. In fact, if I took a fuel array, I think I would do fine because I haven't dropped below half health.
Oh.
Oh, I
on.
don't know how to dodge that.
Alright, phase 4. Yeah, I think it's final phase.
Alright, this is where we're gonna get the meteorites.
Yeah, there we go. Oh,
What the-
Wait.
He took our stuff!
Hey! Hey! I worked
He
hard for
took
that one.
our stuff!
Good lord, he took everything.
He's wearing it!
He took
Oh.
all of our stuff!
I'm getting all of my blue items back.
Oh my, I'm dead! I'm gone! Bye!
Oh!
He took our shit!
Oh, I think he's sucking me.
Jim, you do not want to hoard those coils. You want to use those?
Listen, I cannot move.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
he's
well,
sucking you. Because someone
Motherfucker!
got all the suck.
You have to fight for your stuff back?
Guys, can we
Okay, that's
just...
it, bye!
Excuse me?
He was at half health, wasn't he?
I mean, yeah, we did really good, but still, fuck!
So,
I think-
is the whole strategy of beating him literally just have nothing?
No.
I think
You
we would've
cannot
been
have
fine
nothing
if
to
we
get to that
didn't
point.
have all of the suck on him. 5 stacks of suck.
I should have used the meteorite sooner. If I used the meteorite sooner, I think we would have had a better chance.
Wow.
Right.
Consider lowering the difficulty. We're on Drizzle. True.
Interesting. We'll discuss this at another time. I know y'all need to go to bed.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Colton, you down for another round?
Who?
Colton.
Me? It's 10:46 and I've been recording this entire time.
Oh, I thought you stopped.
No, I recorded all of that run.
Yeah, he was just
Nice.
saying earlier that he stopped her. He's got each play session as its own file, basically, right?
Yeah, so
Oh,
I have
okay.
last play session, which was an hour long, and then I have this play session, which was also another hour long.
Nice.
Yes. But this one is probably going to be a lot more funner to edit because of the fact that I killed myself twice.
That was good.
Yes. Alrighty. So I'm gonna stop.
Well, hey,
recording
thanks,
now.
guys. That was awesome.